quiet. Tell this to be quiet, it's too loud. It does seem to have a slow low speed, but not really that bad though. Well, it's a little too early. I'm just gonna... It's not too badly slow, but just not as fast as this one. And this one's always a little teensy bit slower. I'm getting a breeze from this thing right now. It's actually humming. It's odd. Why is it humming? I can really hear it. It is actually humming. Huh. It is actually humming. Yeah, this one shares speeds with this one, which I never knew until recently, that the blades were replaced with the brackets, which confuses me because I cannot find a set of cane online. So yeah, because originally I had an intent for trying to put these brackets onto the cane blades and putting them back on, but they don't fit onto the cane, so I just had to leave them off. Gosh, I'm getting a darn cold breeze from here. Yeah, this is nice. It's actually really good in my opinion.